Hello everyone, wish you a happy new year, and if you started this year with a new resolution of eating healthy just like every other year, then let me help you with a dragon fruit smoothie weight loss recipe. This creamy avocado dragon fruit smoothie feels like you're taking a dessert. And did you know that avocado is called as butterfruit? Such an apt name, I would say. Now, this dragon fruit smoothie recipe contains healthy fats and fiber to fill you up. And yes, don't eat anything along with this. This works on its own. So what happens when you mix the dragon fruit with avocado? For that part, you gotta stay till the end. So now let's get started to make this dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss. Onto a blender, I add half a cup of plant-based milk. Now you can use oat milk, almond milk, or even whole milk can be used. We then need half a cup of yellow dragon fruit. Now you can choose the pink or the white colored one. Anything is fine. It's just that yellow dragon fruit is sweeter than the pink dragon fruit. Next we need the avocado. So I used the Hass variety and it was probably a small one. So this is about 100 grams of pulp. If you got the large one, just use half because you will not feel hungry if you just eat the whole avocado. Next we add half a teaspoon of chia seeds. Then half a teaspoon of flax seeds. Some maple syrup for sweeteners. Now you can skip the sweeteners or sugar if you like it that way. So when you combine avocado and dragon fruit, you get a cocktail of nutrients which strangely tastes like ice cream. Half an avocado packs 10% of the daily value for potassium. In fact, it packs more potassium than a banana, which is the most popular fruit for potassium sources. So what's the deal with potassium? Well, potassium is needed for several critical bodily functions, including blood sugar regulation and nervous system function. Now, although avocados are high in calories, they are packed with nutrients thanks to their high fiber and healthy fat content. With dragon fruit loaded with fiber, it becomes a good choice for weight loss smoothies. Combining both gives you the needed fuel for the day without making you reach for that snack. Speaking of combining things, do you want to have a vitamin C cocktail? Then check this video out and I shall see you on another video. Take care.